I had on the 27th of last month a security alert sent to me by somebody that the Fulani were planning to attack Yelwata. I have it on my phone. That means before it got to me, it would have reached the security apparatus of this country. Unfortunately, when you see a government where deliberately, Mr. President, he appointed the NSA, a Fulani man, the Chief of Defense Staff, a Fulani man, the Chief State, what do you call him, the Minister of Defense, Fulani, the Minister of State Defense, Fulani. Now, when such information reaches these high offices, do you think it will go beyond that? It will not. When the people at the top are people who belong to those ethnic nationalities being under consideration or under probe, then what would become of it? Nothing. So if on 27th, an ordinary person like me got a wind of this thing, and it came and happened, and people were massacred, over 200, then you know there's something wrong in this country. What the Totif said is correct. Just add to that and say it is being driven by Islamization and Fulanization.
Okay, so you're characterizing it and ethnicizing it. But these are serious allegations you make against the security top hierarchy of this country, to say that they have been inactive despite the security reports they get because they are from a particular part of the country and the alleged perpetrators are also from a particular tribe.
We can't be talking of alleged. The people who are attacked used to see, used to listen, used to hear the language of the attackers.
Oh, because I don't
It is not an issue of, we cannot be saying after over 10 years of people being attacked, that everybody couldn't identify the people who are attacking. It's just like saying we are living in a fool's paradise. Or simply put, what former President Jonathan said, that you cannot wake up a person who is pretending to be sleeping.
Great.
Just a few days ago, there was a meeting between insurgents and some security forces, and the security forces accompanied them. It was videos and it was trending. So the issue in Nigeria is, I don't know if we have a system or a real government in place that has responsibility as defined by the Constitution. That is to say, governance is in place for security and welfare of the people. I don't think that applies in this country. All these years, people are accusing the Fulani and pointing at the Fulani as being responsible for the dastardly acts in the Middle Belt, in the Northwest, and so many parts of the country, and yet appointed NSA, Fulani, Minister of Defense, Fulani, Minister of State, Fulani, till I see that action. But a president who did all this has to prove to me that there's something different.